yourself shaven. That was one big son of a gun. Hello everybody, this is Rob Zip coming to you from the Haunted Trails in Houston, Texas. I was here a couple of years ago, but it did not show you what's inside. So if you want to, if you're not scared, you want to make sure to watch this video to see what everything you can see here at Haunted Trails. But every time you come, it's going to be a little bit different. So, oh my God, what is that? That's the ugliest rat I've ever seen. Ah! Stick around, guys, and join me for the most epic adventures. All right, guys, so they've added a lot of stuff since the last time I was here, and Stephanie I've known for like 20 years. This place has been here for 20 years. She told me, Rob, don't get any stupid looking shots. So I'm gonna make sure to make this place look awesome. I don't have to do anything to make this place look awesome. This place is awesome. They've got this Escape the Guillotine game over here I'm seeing. A madman has captured you and your friends and restrained you all with small guillotines, one-handed. With 5 minutes on the clock, you must be the first to solve all the puzzles to avoid the chop. $5 per player with up to 5 players. Check that out right there. Someone didn't make it. Someone didn't make it there. The werewolf made it. Still has both of his hands. You can get a photo with the werewolf. Monster souvenir photos 5x7 printed on site for only $10. That's a bargain. But you're not here to see the souvenir photos and the guillotine hand. Well, those are fun games. See your hand get chopped off. But let's see what else we could see here at the Haunted Trails. Going in. Oh my goodness. Even the Haunted Trails has a regular standby line and a speed pass line. Everywhere's doing it. The speed pass line, there's nobody in it, so this is like a super speed pass line. General admission line is building. It's still early yet, but we've got a good crowd. Good crowd here at the Haunted Trails tonight.
Different. These glasses will help you find your way.
Welcome to the trails.
All right, I'm not going to show you everything here. I'm just going to show you some of the best stuff, but we'll show you some cool stuff here. To see it all, you need to come here yourself. Even with wheezing giant rats. We've got 5 minutes to figure out the lock code.
3 minutes? How do we what the hell? How do we do this?
They're gonna lose a hand.
Yes.
Oh, you
got it. You got it. What is that in the shed? Oh my gosh, this looks just like the bathtub at the Motel 6. What's in here? I hear some metal. I hear some metal coming. Is there some heavy metal being played? Oh, look, that looks like a child's hand.
I drink your blood.
Drink my blood. We've got snakes. I don't like snakes. What the? What? Looks like somebody's hanging up their Halloween clothes here. What's around this corner? Ah! It's a baby doll. Oh my gosh. Look at all. What is wrong with that baby doll? That one doesn't have a head. Oh, look at the cute. Oh my God. Bathhouse. Fresh creek water, soap, 25 cents, water, 50 cents. Oh, those look like some very clean bathtubs. Those are some very clean bathtubs, sir. Some very clean bathtubs. Damn. Just taking a little nap. Wait, what's going? Oh my God. Oh no. This doesn't look like it was a fun party. Hope that doesn't happen to me. Hello there. I see you're just hanging out. Oh, that's a big snake. Oh, look at that snake. Oh, what's going on back here? Oh, that's scary. Oh, all these people just hanging out, not having a good time. It looks like he's having a pretty good time though. He's like, yeah! Yeah! Strobe effects.
You ready to play the game?
Oh yeah, what's the game? Is it baseball? I see your bat. That's cool.
I don't want to play baseball with you.
We're in the junkyard now. Wow, this is a junkyard. Just went through there. What did you think?
It's a bit intense.
It was wild.
10 out of 10. Honestly, I couldn't keep my eyes open. I did tell the owner I wish I would have kept my eyes open. It's just a bit too intense for me. And I love horror films. I love all of that. It was just very,
But you're about to go into the other side now.
And I'm afraid.
Yeah.
I told them to be a little soft on this. But honestly, 10 out of 10. You guys got to go back. I'm literally going to go back to work tomorrow. And I'm going to tell everybody about this.
Awesome.
Fantastic experience.
Here we go.
Hiya, friends! Looks like it's time for us to get a new playtime. One of my dolls died on me last time. Now I need a new one. Who wants to be the first victim?
Looks like we've entered Psycho Hollow. Enter if I did. Oh, I'm coming.
Enjoy my freak show!
What? Oh my goodness! What is this weird child doing?
Stay with me!
What?
No!
No!
You always leave. Where are you going?
I'm gonna go pick up a pack of cigarettes. I'll be back never. Hey, sexy. You look like a friendly clown. All right, guys, that was a look into the haunted trails in Psycho Hollow here in North Houston, right on Antoine, just north of Beltway 8. They will be here every, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday night until November 6th. So make sure to check out hauntedtrails.com. And what's the phone number?
713-618-DEAD.
There you go. So with that being said, come out and check out Stephanie's amazing haunted attraction. You'll get to meet awesome people like this, have a great time. And remember to drink water, listen to metal, enjoy nature, which you do out here, and have the most epic adventures.